She's an Irani.
So if everyone's up for it while our stuff is getting baked, we would like to read a chapter on Irani cafes. So
वेट होने गया है 20 मिनट्स रहते हैं चल घूम के आते हैं लोग सेजा
sections in the book that explain various kinds of yeast. So today we use this is the fresh yeast, right? This is the yeast that I recommend to go to. This is the one that as you can see different sizes. Some are big, some are small. So this is the kind of yeast that ideally you should not be using. This is the kind of yeast that we circulated here, but when you get it here, you still need to get it here. Yeah, so this is the one that you should use it. Apart from that, there are recipes, of course, there are recipes for all kinds of bread. This is a Punjabi chakki atta bread, which does not involve any maida or any bread flour. Yeah, this is Punjabi chakki atta. Roshan. There are so many other Punjabi chakki places. You see vans all over the city. You can, but the thing is, when you buy a multigrain atta, typically you know it's very fine ground. So your bread will be slightly denser. If you're okay with that, then what? It will still be completely edible. It's not a problem. There's also recipes for sourdough in the book. Sorry?
How much is the
This
book?
is sourdough bread.
450.
Bread that does not use commercial yeast, you have to make your own yeast in the sense that you
It's available on
there's no
Amazon?
batter बनाते हैं ना, which we
No,
overnight,
it's
but
available here.
Okay.
Probably that's why they had this.
Demo, yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this kind of a demo costs a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a promotional demo.
So can I read a little bit of the chapter on Irani bakeries? I must have been just in high school when Amma took me to my first Irani hotel. Tucked away in a lane diagonally opposite the iconic Metro Cinema, up a flight of high steps that you climb by holding on to a thick old rope. Yes. Knotted to serve as grips, hanging down from the entrance was a dark, dim-filled Kayani bakery. We were in the neighborhood for sundry errands, ranging from having my brother's guitar restrung at Sardaria's to meeting my grandfather's chartered accountant. But had arrived too early for both. As for shopping, it would have been postponed until a few hours later when the stores in South Mumbai finally opened for business. So we stepped into Payani to kill the time, and I sensed Amma drifting into a long forgotten era. We quickly ordered the Irani restaurant staples: eggs, bun maska, and chai. In the background, bent old Parsi ladies clad in their floral print frocks that were gathered at their tiny waists made their way to the counter with great effort to buy their daily supply of bread after having paid a solitary visit to the fire temple just down the road. A more enthusiastic bunch of early risers in tracksuits and trainers who had pushed two tables together roared with laughter over post-morning walk jokes of an inappropriate kind. The cashier, freshly bathed and intent solely on managing the price, looked over everyone's heads in the general direction of the kitchen, keeping a hawk eye on the staff. Occasionally, he shouted at an inadvertent staffer in his Parsi Gujarati Hindi, literally punctuated with choice swear words. Our breakfast arrived with what seemed like no time and was plonked down on a dark, aged wooden table covered with a quintessential red and white checked tablecloth over which a protective sheet of glass had been laid. A much photocopied menu had been inserted under the glass. The silence and contentment that hung over us was palpable as we ate our slightly overdone apuri with fresh, soft pav slathered with amul butter. Neither of us was a regular chai drinker, but Amma and I enjoyed sweet, strong, milky, and slightly bitter tea with the elation of indulging in a forbidden act. While paying the paltry sum scrawled on the bill, we picked up mawa cake and a stock of khari biscuits. Kayani cuts theirs into rounds, so when they bake, they look like strings that you dunk in your hot bread. So smitten was I by the understated yet strangely comforting ambience of the place that I have no memory of the rest of the day. While my parents insist that Irani cafes these days are nowhere near what they used to be when they were in school or college. I could sense why the cafes have been so popular.
So this yeast and the fresh yeast would be the same quantity.
Yeah, fresh and instant can be used in the same quantity.
And the other one we don't have to use.
You should not use out of the, yeah.
You know,
The instant yeast, the one that you saw in the packet, that can stay in your fridge for even a year in an airtight box. You can put it in your Tupperware. Yeah, ideally, unless you would bake every day, which is very unlikely.
do you have some fresh yeast which I can smell?
Yeah.
Because once I bought from Cheda and it was smelling yuck.
Yeah, see, then it must be cold. See, the thing about fresh yeast is it needs to be crumbly, but it should not stick to your hands annoyingly. Two, it has to be this light beige color. You know, if it is a dark color, it means it's going off.
Ferment.
Yeah. And of course, the smell test. If it is smelling very strong, alcoholic, then yeah, obviously.
You're getting some, no?
Yeah, I'll tell someone to get it.
This one is very nice.
Yeah, that's very easy to use. It's very consistent.
The only thing is you are trying. So
Yeah.
I will buy them.
Yes. Yeah. There's a slightly different recipe for that. You won't use olive oil, you won't use butter in it. And slightly different technique. Broadly, yes, it's the same thing. You need to mix the yeast and sugar, you need to put the yeast mixture in the flour, add the butter, and knead it, make it very sweet. Put in tutti frutti if you like, because that's the one I'm sure you're referring to. And then shape it into balls, wait for it to rise, turn it sides, spread it in water, and then bake. Yes, create a little bit of steam so that it becomes a really nice, soft cake. And the moment it's out of the oven, you need to brush it with butter.
Is she the author of the book? Is she the author of the book? She is the author. What's her name?
No, all breads, all tasted breads need both stages of baking. First, it's the bulk.
What is it?
The whole batch of dough needs to rise to double in size. The second proofing is when you shape the dough and then you give it to rise, which is happening inside. Yeah. Different for different recipes. So buns might take even lesser because it's small. Right?
You could take a yeah, an email ID.
So in the recipe there won't be too much butter in it. One place where you cut down on the softness. And secondly, you spray a lot of water on the bun before you bake it. And you bake it for a longer time at a lower temperature. So there's a top becomes kadak. That's why it's called the kadak. There's a chapter on troubleshooting, or you can call me. Yeah. Or email me. Actually, it's not difficult. It's just about making it every day. And in our heads, we feel it's very difficult. ये fail होने वाला है. You know, it's going to be a break, and I'm going to
Sorry.
point out. It's all in our head. Very easy.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
No, I'm here. Yeah, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes, I have a YouTube.
Okay, what's the name of the channel?
It's called My Chola. My blog and my YouTube channel is both called My Chola.
That is M. That is Jola. Okay. My is MY.
MYJHOLA.
Okay, good. Because I missed a lot of this. I came from Vasai, so I missed most of it. So I'll have to buy the book and I have to go to the channel.
ये Parsi.
No, I'm a Maharashtra.
So Purana.
Purani is a Maharashtra.
It's good. Okay, so that must be solved.
Indian.
Yeah, it's My Chola.
I have a bread maker. We'll try doing bread maker.
Is it? I already know about it.
It's very delicate.
Okay,
Yeah.
Maida. I have to also add her. She's very sweet.
Fresh ones.
And I'll give you a reference.
What company is
Because you know these bread making recipes.
Prima.
JHOLA. the blog and the YouTube channel.
Whatever they have given in
Because the recipes for bread making are usually foreign ones, you know, where the terms we are not familiar with. Like they don't say atta and maida, they will use some other term. And we don't know where to get that. You know, they'll say some coarse wheat,
The baking soda, you know.
yeah, all-purpose flour. That is the all-purpose flour, but they have some other for bread making, you know, some kind of wheat, special wheat. I don't know what. Maybe, yeah. Which is used to make pasta also. Yeah. So durum wheat and all, where you get it? Correct. But then does that translate into bread? Will bread be made?
Depends on various
Okay, that's the proof of the pudding.
Depends on various things. One is if your yeast is not very potent, it's slightly more going off or
What
it's going to be very good. Two, depends on the kind of flour. Because yeast you can expect a slightly very bread. Basically, if you have not measured it properly,
Yes, I do, but where do you get it? Brand.
gluten strands will not be formed properly. And if gluten strands are not formed properly, then there will be gas and therefore various things.
Is it possible 500 grams? But when you bake it,
Yes, it's very possible and it's very easy to do in the Indian summer.
I have searched a lot for the yeast. It's not available, but I'll find out from her. Like in a book, yeah, her contact will be there, so I'll contact her.
30 minutes are actually 15 minutes or whatever. You need to go back and check if it's working. So like I said, you know, bread, although it's a science and everything, it's you need to build a relationship. Yeah, you need to build a relationship with bread making to understand how to
But it's not only for this. I usually, you know, I also have to
So
study.
then if you want to go off to sleep, the best thing to do is to put it in the fridge. So it will rise slowly over a couple of hours.
For an entrance exam. Better than
over now. See the bread and taste the bread.
that. You can all this. But also for this, I'll come much later. Yeah. Because otherwise I need to sleep a little more, but I can't.
Or you keep it
Because what she's saying now, if it really works, I've not read any of like a proper bread recipe in India. Yeah. I've read all these lovely BBC recipes.
depends on the kind of flour. If you're using a very bleached kind of maida, it's going to be very good.
Yeah.
Then, I mean, as long as you know that it's a consistent brand, you can go ahead and use it. I actually use what my local fellows sell. I use it a couple of times and I find it very recipes. I found it so many good. That's why I use that. Any brand that you're
Phone them.
see it, check it, it's clean.
Half an hour only I thought. Yeah, what did you think from? I understand.
As long as you're doing everything else homemade and not adding questionable things to it.
Yeah, I started very late. And potatoes for us. She was waiting for the atta and all that. It came back potato for us. Then she did that.
In fact, you know,
Rice and roti.
for cakes, which is something that
How many minutes? 40 minutes?
that's crazy. I remember for piping practice,
I think I'll have to ask.
they would tell us to use dala.
Chef came, that means she's not a chef.
They have other chefs.
No, she is not employed here. She is not a chef. She is a hobby of hers.
Right.
So who's the
If
chef?
not here, then you can get it.
She is the cap.
Can I ask you something from cakes? What talking about cakes? What do you use for butter cakes?
I use almond Amul butter.
Amul butter.
Because I like that slightly salty.
But Amul, you also get unsalted butter.
Or I use homemade butter because I make my own butter.
Wow.
Depends on if I have this stock.
You make butter,
I don't make cheese, no.
wine.
You need to wash it a couple of times
You're talking about the
and
wine
drain it
shop?
nicely for a couple of hours.
You know, you, I have my own YouTube channel. But it's just not a professional one or anything. Anybody can make a YouTube channel, that kind of
So you
stuff.
collect your
Free YouTube channel that anybody can.
I buy the normal packet cutlery. I
I
don't
got
buy
my
the
dog. It's called Monty Dog. It should be
I
really
get to put it on. Maybe I buy a lot of
lab or what?
He's a stray dog. There's nothing in that channel, believe me. There's nothing in
What
it.
is there?
I'll be right back.
Monty is there and some stray
Check
dogs
if
are
it's
there which
good
I'm
enough.
feeding.
The first one itself.
Let me just go and check what's happening.
But this is not the oven. Another one is there.
Yeah, there's no idea.
Oh, this is the microwave, yeah? This is a microwave?
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. I just want to see the look of the bread and run away.
I thought it must be a
Yeah,
kind
it
of
looks
OTG.
like an OTG.
Yeah, it looks like an OTG.
But maybe she's doing it outside.
Maybe there's a special oven there which really makes the bread.
No, not special oven. It is oven. There is no oven here.
I wonder, yeah. Okay, good. I wonder if she will show us the. I wonder if she will show us the bread which she made or some other nice.
Whatever it is, forget about that, what she's showing us. But we have learned the technique, right?
No, but the proof of the pudding isn't eating. Like it should be made finally.
Then you should make it at home and find out yourself.
First we have to see whether has she managed to make it. You know, then we'll try. We'll waste all the time.
She has published a book.
So
She is
I
very
can
sure.
publish a book.
Not so easy. Not so easy.
It's very easy. If I have the money,
Certainly
I can
not.
publish.
You have to trust people at times.
She's very entertaining and very nice, and I'm sure the bread will be made.
It looks like some problem because
Yeah?
it's not complete.
I don't mind if they tell us the truth how it came out, you know. I don't want some ready-made bread like this. From Starbucks. Yeah. Ah, this is the chef.
Could you just tell us about the thin crust pizza bread?
We'll try it out.
How can we get that really?
That's something that you can get with the help of a pizza store.
First we follow your recipe.
Yeah, follow the book. But also, if you can get hold of a pizza stone or a baking steel आता है, you get it online, which causes, again, which traps the heat.
First we put it in the oven and
You preheat it, and then you put the pizza on that. Yeah, while it's hot.
then it's not got that flavor. The atta is very thin.
Yeah. So you just make the thing, you spread it, and then put it on the thing and just pour out the bus.
Madam,
And then make it. It's gone in the oven. So it's gone in the oven. They just wanted me to check whether it's gone to the right. बहुत ज़्यादा
How you take out this roti pellets?
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. That will be hot. The sheet will be hot. Or the stove will be hot. Yes. No, it will be fully hot.
Fully hot पे pack करना है.
No, you do it outside on the kitchen counter.
Sai.
The recipe will be the same on this one pizza base.
that's a take on SAI, no?
Fire और कुछ ये नहीं. That the atta will be patla.
French take.
Yeah, even I got that cutting. Same board.
So if you're making a loaf of bread, the trick is to take it out and then knock the back of the bread. It sounds odd.
Breakfast time only I
For
said.
focaccia, you can't knock it because
Half
it's
day,
supposed to be a
you were at
soft.
work and you came.
So you just need to check for color. You need to check if it is risen enough, and that generally tells you that it's done. On the top, to get a light water. What's that? It's not a cake.
What is doing? Making roti.
Huh? No, it can't. It doesn't work with bread. Although for the gluten-free bread, which is more like a cake batter that you make, uske liye that's how you will have to check the gluten.
There's a batter. He had made a batter.
No, both the coils have to be
Okay. There's maida, there's atta, and water.
No atta. Only maida.
50% atta.
No, but what she made only with pure maida.
You can't use the instant. I'm saying don't use
All cakes are made from maida.
any bread at all.
Bread, sorry.
It doesn't have bread.
It requires another kind of wheat.
And it's not very consistent. Chemical. It's not very stable.
Yeah, pav is maida.
When you make a pizza with a pizza stone, you put in the pizza directly on the pizza stone.
Yeah, so
You read up the internet.
I read up, but the durum, what you were saying, durum wheat and all, it is never mentioned that it is made only of maida. In fact, this maida is too soft wheat. You have to use a stronger wheat, which is more coarse and all for bread. That is what they say on the internet.
We make naan and all.
on the pizza
Like
stone.
that.
This roti and all is different, and the bread which is available now.
You eat it.
I'm waiting.
Absolutely. You'll be able to figure out your own tips and tricks as you go along.
Chapati and all are different. Different.
They must have run
And
out.
even pasta is different wheat. It's also wheat, but different wheat.
It's an unglazed style, basically. What can go? Baking steel. But that's very expensive. So, yeah, that's the usual. Where's your kitchen plate?
She made it.
So you outsource your breads. This is a waffle line. Yeah. At all. No butter, no oil, and the baking method is also slightly different. It has a high hydration zone, which means it has to have a lot of water and fluids, so it's very difficult to work with. That is what makes it just a second.
So then I'll just go in. Oh, she's also coming out, I think.
You're going? That's it? There's a bag down. No, no, be careful. On the bag? Wait. Yeah, I was also standing outside.
Yeah?
That's why I'm sitting now.
Yes. No problem, so long as the bread is good. And we know how long it should be kept.
Please.
Huh? I get it from my Jola.
Sorry? Yeah, obviously. Where did you get this from? Very interesting. I love the technique.
I wish like next time you would have bought one this thing to show us, the ceramic one, the sada one.
What's that?
The
tile.
tile, because he
Just go to the tile shop and tell him show me an unglazed ceramic tile.
दोनों तरफ वो टाइल का फिनिशिंग होएगा व्हाइट कलर.
एक तरफ नीचे से तो वो स्क्वायर स्क्वायर होता है, so that वो ठीक से बैठ पाता है.
ऊपर smooth होता है.
तो वो भी smooth but not glazed.
Glaze is one.
Shiny.
Glaze is just one thin layer of glaze which they add after making the ceramic tile. So that is not there. The final finishing is not
Just
there.
that rough thing.
Rough.
Yeah.
Unglazed.
Yeah, pizzas too.
अरे
Sorry? This is the suwa.
yeah, Kori roti. What is that?
Using curry roti.
Actually, induction, this is not, very
You
good.
get in the restaurants.
Induction, but what is kori roti?
Or she made rice cracker.
Okay, rice cracker roti, yeah. No, but it is, who has this kind of roti?
Karnataka.
Karnataka, that's why she thought she's South Indian and she was saying Amma Amma, no?
पूरा गरम ही नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah, she's Maharashtrian. But she's like a nice blend of everything. Huh?
French.
French, I don't think.
Her name.
But I don't think that's French. That's something.
Sai.
Brownish black.
But that is, there is a reason, I'm sure, for that.
I am wrong.
Excuse me. Sorry.
There's lots of spots. But this is not
You want this?
So instead of a baking tray,
It's nice to have a chef also, no? While we are. So they can do the work. They can do the assisting. Yeah, so that's good. Because because this kind of a demo, na, it costs about 2,000, 2,500.
Yeah, I saw down. I went up free.
That's why I came running. Otherwise, I wouldn't have.
It's pointless spending 2,500.
No, it's pointless, totally pointless. Because now we don't know whether when we make whether it will turn out. Not only that, I've never like in India, no, okay, there's a recipe for roti, chapati, but not for bread, proper one, you know.
Unless you join a catering college, which costs another 40,000.
But who wants to join a catering college? That's 3 years, no?
They have part-time evening ones.
But very expensive.
Once, yeah, 20, 30 dollars.
I can't. I would directly buy the bread from the shop.
It's okay for youngsters who want to make a career out of it.
Yeah. So those are a lot of money.
I hope they don't publish these photos in the Bombay Mirror. The office staff will come to know. Dundee marriage. I said I'm going to the lawyer.
No, they won't. I feel it's a very good thing you're spending your time on.
Yeah, but I should have told the truth.
Yeah, but then you change your mind midway, no? Because you're feeling hungry.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying
No,
that
then I called the lawyer here only.
no, but see this kind of thing. If you do this kind of thing, it makes your mind fresher, more creative, and you will be better at your job after that. I feel it's good for your company.
can you ask somebody to check on the status of the focaccia?
Focaccia is Italian, by the way. I think it sounds like that. How can this curry roti be be served like as if it's some pastry or something, you know, like some that burfi?
Yeah, it's a beautiful flower.
Puri roti.
This is yeast and sugar, which we make into frosted.
Yeah.
Very much possible. And then you put water for 2 minutes.
Kori roti. Spicy roti. Nice. Everything tastes better outside the house. When we make our own, it doesn't taste so good.
Yeah. Traditionally,
See how he's making.
either water or buttermilk or leftover
And the
dal.
chef is making. It's like proper.
Snapchatting everything.
Snap. I don't know what is Snapchat. I don't even have a smartphone. But I know what is live streaming on YouTube and then Facebook. I know all that. I didn't tell her.
You're not doing that, no?
No, I'm not. Because I didn't use that. Because I don't need to. I'm not that professional. This is just for me.
This is a smartphone.
No, this is just an ordinary Nokia phone 5 years back, which is extinct now. It's not even available.
Got a camera and a video.
Yes,
So you're taking out a video.
yes. I'll upload it on YouTube. What channel? And then put the link on Facebook.
For your friends.
Friends,
What's that? My Monty. What's your channel?
My I have got one my name, Venus Joy, VENUS, JOH, I didn't tell him, but I have 2-3 times. Anybody can make, VENUS, JOH. All you need is one email ID, and just for your security you need your phone number also. Venus John I have, then I have Anna John, that is also my name only. Then I have my dog also, Monty his name is, but it's MONTO dog. Then I have Monty, I have 2 I think.
MONTU dog.
No, yes, because actually his name is Monty, but I just call him Monto.
Otherwise, what do you do?
I'm unemployed since 6 years. I'm an unemployed dentist. I worked for 10 years. Because of clinics and all this. In today's Times of India, you'll read about dentists coming to suicide because they don't have jobs. So they're not allowing license for any more dental colleges because 24,000 dentists are coming out each year.
I read something.
Today's Times of India, and I put the cutting on Facebook also.
I saw the title.
What's your name?
My name is Meena. I'm working for National School of Banking.
Wow.
Meena Pajni, PHANI.
M-I-N-A, no? Meena.
M-E-E-N-A.
Meena. Meena what?
P-A-J-N-I. Pajni. Punjabi.
Very sweet. Punjabi is very extrovert.
I'm not that way.
But you're friendly, you're friendly.
I'm friendly.
She's also very friendly.
Yeah, she got a very positive.
Yeah. Look. And she's always smiling. But that's also very nice.
Much bread she little she has put on me.
But she has put on weight.
Is she?
Yeah, she's
from
no,
behind.
no, she's quite plump, yeah. See, there it is.
Yes, Mokri Road. मैं सर्च करता हूँ.
Are you on Facebook?
Yeah.
Then I'll add you as friend. Then you will get all I'm studying for the entrance exam now. So whatever I study, where I study, all this everything, daily stuff.
Give me a missed call so I'll save your number.
Okay, but then I'll have to get off the phone.
Acha, no, then I'll write it down.
Yeah.
Cold and hard.
Write your name.
An hour, 2 hours.
But I can't believe that you're a dentist and you're not getting a job.
I'll also tell you I'm 44 years old and I passed from Government Dental College in
You look so young.
1995. I dye my hair every month. 1995 I passed from Government Dental College, one of the best colleges, one of the 3 best colleges in India.
I think you're not trying hard enough.
You think? College? Government Dental College, St. George's Hospital. And I was abroad for 10 years. I have 12 years experience. And
Where
UAE.
so still you're not getting a
And
job?
I had worked in Tarapur Adaman Power Station Hospital, so I had my own clinic in Andheri.
I feel you must be having too many demands and you must not be ready to start, have a small starting salary. That's why you must not
That's
be
not the
getting.
truth. I tried for 3 years and the clinics that I went to did not have proper sterilization, disinfection, they did not have proper materials. Like if you use silver, no, it will last you like 50 years. But they won't use silver, they use composite, which requires a lot of other things like a good fridge and others it expires. I can't put expired material in the patient's mouth because then it becomes a root canal. And I will not sell it to the patient like that. I will
But
tell the
then
truth.
why are you
US for 10 years.
Not US, UAE.
She's jobless and she's a dentist.
Really?
You read today's Times of India,
Yeah,
then you will understand what
yeah,
I'm saying.
yeah,
So that
yeah.
these reactions at least we will not get. What are you saying something
I
else?
was saying something, okay, you're letting your education go to get wasted. At least you should do some social service work in government hospitals or something.
If you get a job in social government hospitals offer the best salary.
Salary.
44. And they will. There are no jobs. I went to my hospital only where I passed out from.
Your Holy Family is there.
Holy Family and all these are medical hospitals. They have hardly one. They have one dental chair, but that is like there will be 1,000 people aiming for that. And I've done my graduation. I've not done my post graduation, so I'm studying for the entrance exam for post graduation, which will take another 10 years because just to study for the entrance exam will take 3-4 years. The last time I answered the entrance, I got like 35%. Actually, you should get 80%, and there are only few seats for that, and 50% is reserved. So it's not. See, people now say I don't know anything about banking. I'm a lay person. I may ask you like stupid questions, and this is the questions that you get. Which are completely stupid because if you actually go to, there is nobody to check these dental clinics here in Bombay. There's nobody to check, nobody to come officially and check. It may be, see, there's a Hippocratic oath. Even if you don't do anything good. At least don't do anything bad.
Where you had a job?
My own clinic, yeah.
You had your own clinic there.
Only because of loneliness I came back.
So why don't you start your clinic here?
It's very expensive. Just to buy the place in Vasai, it cost 50 lakhs. And that 50 lakhs and plus other equipment and all.
So you sold everything there?
It is anyway, yeah, I sold everything there. Actually, I went from 97 to 2000. 97 to 2000 I was on salary basis. Then 2000 to 2002 I had my own clinic. Then I came back for 3 years, didn't get a proper job. Then again went back, took a clinic on lease, 2005 to 2000. And all this are there on my Facebook page. And all-
Still you can do that, no?
Go back, you mean? To the same situation, no? And the older you get, the more difficult it is to come and adjust back here. And anyway, nothing is in your name there. Everything is in the name of the Arab. Not rented, and even the clinic is not in your name. It is always in the name of the Arab sponsor. Even though you spend
So you're
everything.
not trying any other hospitals here?
3 years I tried. From 2012 to 2015 I tried. And from 2015 onwards I started studying for post-graduation. 3 years I tried. So hospitals and all, you will not get a job because
So now you're studying for post-graduation.
for the entrance exam for post-graduation, not even the post-graduation. Yeah.
So tough.
If you read that today's report now, where they are going to stop any more dental college, and who has said that is my dean of my college, who is my professor, Dr. Mansingh
Today there
Pawar.
is an article in Times.
Yes, first page, and I have cut it and put it on Facebook also.
And
Then you will come to know what I'm saying. People are committing suicide.
which college?
Government Dental College, St. George's Hospital, VT, Bombay 1, passed in
I
95.
have a neighbor, her child is a dentist.
Good.
She was working for a dentist. They hardly pay you peanuts, 6,000-7,000.
Forget about the peanuts. I still don't mind working, provided it's a proper clinic where I will not harm the patient. At least that much allow me. I mean, and of course I need the money for food, yeah, and for the travel at least. That much at least you should give me.
Anyways, you're studying right now, no? You're not doing anything.
Well, that studying is a bit like not doing anything only. I feel it a
Why
straight
didn't you
off.
think of doing the PG that time only?
When
You finish with your graduation.
see, when you finish with your graduation, it's better not to focus on PG because PG is only one.
Because today, normal graduation, this thing has no value unless you specialize in
See,
something.
95 was a very different time. I graduated in 95. At that time, it was not so bad, you know.
Now things have become very...
Yeah, and when you are a general dentist, it's better because you're good at all branches of dentistry. Whereas when you're doing PG,
Specialize,
you're
you're
just
doing-
specializing either in the braces or in root canal or in oral surgery. You're not good at the whole thing. So I'm glad I did not do it immediately. And I'm glad I worked there because I had access to very good materials, very good quality of dentistry and British patients and all that. I know what good dentistry is.
Done?
Should be done. Should be on its way out.
At least I had a chance to practice properly instead of harming the patients.
You shouldn't have left.
You know, loneliness, you don't understand that kind of loneliness. Here I live alone in my own flat, but there's absolutely no loneliness.
Where you used to stay? Dubai?
Dubai, Avana from Dubai, Rasul Khaimah. It's the same.
Ras Al Khaimah.
You know Rasul Khaimah?
I mean, I've heard of it. I've not been there,
But amazing that nobody would understand what that is here.
The 9
Amazing.
Emirates, one of them is the Ras Al Khaimah.
How are you so much GK? Amazing, no? Nobody would even be interested in that word also. It's a Arabic word which means top of the tent. Ras means head, Khaima means tent. I can speak Arabic. I'm amazed.
So that's the place where you...
See, that's like Vasai and Churchgate. 1 hour from 100 kilometers from Dubai, but it's the same emirate. Like there's Abu Dhabi, there's Dubai, there's Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, Al Ain,
All these Emirates are there.
yeah, Ajman,
That's
Fujairah.
why I showcased the book.
I've been to Qatar.
Qatar is another country, which is also a very good
Different
country.
country altogether.
Yeah, but it's a modern like it's like Dubai only. It's not like Saudi and all. It's modern like
Oh, they are taking her autograph.
Autograph.
Buying the books.
Oh, because they're buying the book now. I'll buy it next month. Now it's end of the month.
If you're really going to look all the recipes and all, otherwise the net is such a free source.
Bread you will not find what she's saying. I'm telling you, you will get rotis, chapatis. Bread you will get only foreign countries, those authors, British or some other authors, American. And they are using a different kind of chutney, not what she's saying.
They have their own
They were using not that our bread, that Britannia bread, sliced bread. No. So using another
Self-raising flour.
self-raising flour we get here, but they're using that stronger bread which you use for pasta. Like many grades of wheat are there. The strongest is for pasta. The second comes this bread which they're using. Third comes that chapati and roti and puris and all that. It goes down and becomes softer for cake, softer for pastry, biscuit. All different grades of wheat are there, and all that is available in the supermarkets. Here we don't have all. We have only this atta and all, and we don't know how to compare that atta with that. Whereas she's telling us properly, which is amazing.
See, she looks patla from behind.
Oh yeah. She's wearing the wrong stripes. She's wearing the wrong
She's heavy here.
But only when she removes the apron will come to know for sure, because she's wearing black, which makes you look thinner.
To cool, yes. After you remove it from the tin. Yeah, because if you leave
I'm very curious. This gentleman is cooking at home.
I know, I'm just waiting for this to come.
I like guys who know to cook. Because they're tapping into their feminine side. They're very good for their wives.
Not done?
So Pagina, P-A-J-N-I. Paj.
N for Navy. N for Navy. I.
Yes. Yes. I have to remember.
I'll give you a call tomorrow. Yeah, on your number, so you can save it.
I'll say it.
I'll give you right now.
No, right now then this will go off. Thanks anyway.
oil in the focaccia. Light greasing, just for insurance.
Is it done?
Should be done. He's just gone inside the kitchen.
How many hours should we keep it at the OTG?
She said actually 20 minutes. No, yeah,
But I
20
think it's
minutes.
much longer. No?
Yeah. For all you know, it may not have come out well. Who knows? I want to buy another one.
I think she's honest.
Yeah, no, I'm
See,
just
the
joking.
farmer's market, how sweet, na? The name and all.
Superfood. There was one couple, they were staying abroad and they wanted to shift back to India. So he told his wife, you have to make bread for me every day. Then only I'll
Make what?
bread for me every day. So then they brought that bread maker and now she makes bread for him every
There's
day.
something called a bread maker.
Yeah, there is.
I don't even know about these things. What is that? That's not an oven? That's something
It's
else?
like an OTG,
Yes.
a bread maker.
Especially for that.
Only bread.
Yeah, means it must be adjusted, temperature and all must be adjusted just for that, yeah.
You put the atta.
But I hope she gets the wheat also. Here, what she used to get there. And why he wants only bread? Why not chapatis and rotis? Why he wants only bread? Why not chapatis and rotis?
Chapati roti everybody knows. Na?
No, but why he wants to eat that bread every day?
Oh, he, acha. Must be used to the foreign bread. Na?
The
They
croissant,
were liking for
the
something.
French bread croissant.
Solo लेवा गया.
Acha, this is the churro station.
Churros.
That's why the.
Okay, but it's nice, no? Nice station.
थोड़ा अच्छे निकले.
They've given water something.
Water? I have water with me.
No, I don't want. You need it, na?
I have one more bottle.
How many bottles? Is it done? Is it done? Huh?
3 minutes more. Total how many minutes? Total how many minutes?
One bread ready हो जाएगा.
कितने मिनट में?
3 minutes.
तीन मिनट में एक ब्रेड.
एक्चुअली कैसा है टेम्परेचर अलग रहता है.
हाँ.
क्या?
नहीं लेकिन ये फोकस है ब्रेड के लिए ना टोटल कितना मिनट?
पानी का बॉटल है?
Only 15 to 20 minutes these people are saying.
हाँ, she said that only 20.
Then how it can take so long? Something is there's a gap in this.
Many a slip between the cup and the lid.
That is a different for a different reason we use that phrase. Like we want to do something and then it doesn't happen. Because somebody has jinxed it.
There is a lacuna.
Yeah. I mean there's a gap in the logic here.
How can in 20 minutes bread become? It will take at least 45 minutes.
Does it?
I think so. From what I have read.
You've done a lot of reading.
Nothing much. There's no water?
You want water? You want water? You want me to give you the water? We don't have to buy it, no? Oh, then we have to get it.
There's one there.
Is this one? It's yours, no? Yeah, sure. Why not? So long as the water is there. And the bread. Should we sit at the table? Can't smell it?
अच्छा डीपी
The berries on.
No, there were 2-3 types of bread.
Two types.
Which one?
Sweet one and another one, spicy focus.
Okay. And the sweet one was called what? Sweet one was called what? Sweet one was called?
Dolce, I think. Pasha Dolce.
Okay, okay. Because that is not mentioned in the newspaper. Yeah.
Only two recipes are.
Okay. Right.
Akki roti and honey.
That's right. I know.
Ask, please ask.
We can't see.
Can you put it this side so we all can see?
Keep it in the center na, so
Yeah.
everybody can see.
Bringing the focus.
Come down.
Sorry. Wow, it looks like cake. Looks like cake. Is it bread or cake?
It's bread.
Okay.
It got turned out proper.
Did it turn out into a cake?
Yeah, thanks.
Wow, this looks just like cake.
Oh my god.
Smells good? Smells
amazing. The aroma is amazing.
It's hot, na? How is it? Wow.
We should make this. Don't touch. Everybody should not touch it. Don't touch.
I'm not touching.
Travel in the bus. So also a bit
You
oily.
my bus and then you touch that. Yeah, funny. Yeah. Hands are going all over and then
I
touching.
know, you're right. But it's a demo one, no?
No, we are going to taste it. Sample one.
Okay, but this is
We
the
are touching everywhere.
correct, correct. You're right, you're right.
Was that?
Let's use the knife.
So this is the focaccia bread, yeah?
Cut it.
You can touch it. Here. On the hand.
Just look into it.
That's the hand.
No.
Ah, correct. Sing happy birthday and cut the cake.
Now instead of cake, we can make bread for birthdays. Because it's as good as a cake. Looks so good, yeah? It looks like a pizza.
Actually.
What is this? Pizza bread?
तब तक ये तो फिनिश कर दो करके Yes, happy birthday to you and to Sai. Now please cut small pieces so that everybody gets it.
Yeah, I'll have the long one.
And you come at 5 o'clock and say,
My god, this looks just like cake from inside also. And they put nuts and all in it, yeah?
it's not nuts, it's
Garlic. I came late.
Qualities like these.
Thanks for telling me.
So fresh one and dry.
Fresh one is
Okay.
which one? Which brand? Dal? You're selling it here.
And this is what the black olive. And the leaves are?
The first one goes here.
Yes, give it to the baby.
The leaves are? The leaves are? Basil.
Any other babies?
Me, here.
No, he comes at 5:30 and he can't get it.
yeah, we all stood and all.
Yeah, sure.
Wait.
You're there.
Arey yaar, one sec.
Tastes good, tastes good. Nice and spicy.
You may have to cut more.
Wait.
You're supposed to have this with butter or what?
Loads of olive oil in it.
Oh, olive oil we're supposed to use? Very expensive.
A lot of color.
No?
Loads of oil.
This is supposed to be having pepperoni.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. Pepperoni. Pepperoni is like steak, yeah?
It's a Dolce Vita. The brand is Dolce.
Pepperoni is pepperoni.
Like steak, no? No, sorry, like salami.
Yeah, something like that.
We're supposed to have it with that, yeah? But not just like that, with jam and all, no?
No, you can.
You can't have it jam. You can only have it with pepperoni.
We can have it just like that, no?
Just like that.
Yeah. It smells delicious. Very nice.
You want more cake?
It's not cake. Tiny pieces.
Just there's too many people in here.
Everybody's tasted it.
Have no idea. I'll give you one with all the
Yeah.
Thank you. One sec.
I won't mind the pepperoni.
One piece.
There's some nice taste also, some nice spice. There's garlic, olive, basil. It's nice. The salt is just right. Last one. Last one. Demolished? Yes, that's the word. It's very tasty. Super duper. Super duper. Super duper. The focaccia is made only of meat, you're saying, no? Sorry, only of maida. Sorry. Don't do this now, huh? I gave you nice bread from here. So we're surely going to buy a book.
3 days. बच्चे के लिए, that's a
Side.
in Bombay, better to keep it in the fridge and then warm it in the OTG.
This was like 1 kilo?
No, this didn't with
Half kilo.
600 grams.
And how much would it cost me to make that, ingredients wise? How much would it cost me to make it?
With very good extra virgin olive oil, 50, 60.
45 to 50 bucks.
Only 45 to 50 bucks? Despite the olive oil and all.
The next one is actually a cake because it has all fruits.
The bread.
Only 45 to 50 bucks, that's great, yeah. I can make it. Yes. But not to sell. Wow, what is this? This is like all berries and all. This is a berry bread. This is not ordinary bread. Olive oil, very little we are putting.
Yeah, very little, 50 levels.
Only because they were saying, oh, it's covered with olive oil and all. It's only 45 to 50 bucks.
A little bit of sweetness. It's a sweet.
Sugar? Icing sugar? So this is
This is icing sugar.
so this is a cake then.
I told you.
You told me. You're right.
Everybody has to get
Acha, she's making cakes in the guise of bread.
And first of course the baby. And where's the big baby?
The big baby left, I think.
It's wonderful, huh? I like
See
it.
how the colors are just,
Yeah.
So if with the fresh fruit would also give this color.
This is fresh. Look at the crumb. It has to be nice and open. And the thing about a focaccia is if you press it, it should spring back.
Acha, this is also focaccia. Focaccia.
Any improvers or anything.
That's like cappuccino. Focaccia.
No soda or anything.
No additives, no improvers, nothing. Just good home style bread.
This is originally Italian?
Sorry?
Originally Italian?
Yes. What's the bread?
The bread. No, you're Maharashtrian. You're Maharashtrian. Even though you say Amma, so we thought you're South Indian.
Yeah, but where did we learn?
I'm not a chef. I work as a food consultant.
Wow. Food consultant. That's a nice consultant to be, I think. My God, it's dripping with berries.
I know, I can see the...
It's proper summer cake.
People are already taking it out.
People are starving.
It's a little hot. Please be careful.
It's hot.
You have first.
Okay, you
Make way for everybody.
It's hot. Eat aste. Yeah. Sure.
Is it strawberry?
Take that.
I don't chew.
Nice that.
Where is she? It's yum, man. You don't need pepperoni, you don't need anything with this. No? You just need to have tea with this. It's a breakfast all by itself. You have this kind of bread.
One other piece.
One another piece?
I have one for her. Thank you.
I want to eat waterfall.
You want to eat waterfall outside? No, we'll finish this.
What's your name? Deepak. The last one. Fantastic.